I'm having one of those days. I feel like I didn't do too much. I didn't do what I really wanted to do today. I didn't really have a plan, but I was like, you know, just chill out today, relax, which is what I did. I literally didn't pick up my camera till 6 o'clock this evening. And I was like, okay, I picked the camera up, 6 o'clock, let's start. And then I was like, no, I'm not gonna start. But I already pushed record and I started something. And there's something in my mind sometimes when I start something, I have to finish it. So today's vlog is not great. It is just kind of, I started, and if I start, I have to finish. So yeah, I guess we'll start today where I kind of put together a vlog for today. Cześć i dzień dobry from here in Turin, Poland. If you guys don't know, Gdańsk, where I was, which is in the north seaside of Poland, and where Warsaw is, where I always am, Turin is kind of in the middle. It's kind of where I wanted to stop. It's been more of a emotional experience coming here. It's a long story, but I've just been happy to be here. It's been crazy. I've been meeting up with people, but I'm still just happy to be here. It's been a really chill, relaxed day. I'm not gonna lie, it's already 6 p.m. and I'm just picking up the camera for the first time. Been one of those kind of days, but I didn't want to not give any content, so a little walkthrough of here in Turin as I'm making my way through the city. And I could be wrong, maybe correct me in the comments, but you have all this beautiful stuff here in Turin, a planetarium there, all these nice buildings, and I think that's just like a prison, right? Smack in the center of, no, is that a prison? Can someone like confirm that in the comments? Okay, so I'm actually kind of just getting back to my back to the hostel room, kind of chilling, relaxing, and I was like, just to not film too much, but I feel like, you know, I was gonna end the vlog there, not even shoot the vlog today, but I mean, look at this, like, you know, it's like a beautiful view, and now the sun is starting to come out. It was raining all this morning, so maybe gonna go out and walk around, but I feel like to give this vlog, to give today, a little bit of value, what I can tell you guys is, really, I talk about it on Instagram a lot, I talk about it in the podcast a lot, podcast crew, if you hear what's going on, is really feel out your energy for where you are that day. You know, when you're traveling, you feel like you have to do this check-in. It's like, I gotta do this. Like me today, I feel like I have to go here, But on days where I'm just like, I just wanna chill out and walk around, relax, have a local day where you just go out and have a coffee and relax. And I feel like being here in Turin, I'm a little bit emotional, as I told you guys, because this is where it started for me in Poland. And the people who introduced me and showed me Poland for the first time are from here, you know, and it's just a huge, like, I don't know, being back here, I just get that feeling back of that newness, how scared I was coming to Poland for the first time and seeing how far I've been and how far I've gone, excuse me. It's just like, it's a feeling that I like. I like the feeling, but at the same time, trying to process it and make a video and enjoy it at the same time is a little bit difficult. But the sun is out a little bit, so I guess I'm gonna walk around just a little bit more, show you guys a little bit. Nothing really is going on today. But I do want to show you guys a little bit because it is a beautiful day. It's turning into a beautiful day now. So I'm just gonna go walk around and what this thing is. I'll look up and find the history, but everybody seems to be touching this. Everybody. It's almost like in Poznan with 2 goats. Maybe this is it for, I don't know. I'll do the research so you guys don't kill me in the comments being like, you should research and know this stuff before you go. Oh man, but this city, like I say, brings back a lot of memories. And then one thing about here, there are a lot of street performers, like everywhere here. I know everywhere in Poland's like that, but here it seems like there's a lot. And a lot of places for ice cream. have a feeling on this day that I was supposed to just be chilling and relaxing. I picked the wrong day because I think today was actually the fun day. You know, those color runs, the fun runs. I see like every person in this center, not every person, but all the younger people, they all have this this fun run stuff on. Like, I think there must have been a fun run here that I missed in Turin. Oh man, I have this problem. I have this big fear of missing out. And it's like, I know if I take a day off, then that's gonna be the day that I could have met the most amazing people, or the most amazing things would have happened. And it's like, that's a big problem that I have. That fear of missing out. It's one of the worst. And I guess I'm just rambling, trying to give this today some kind of value, because I'm not really doing anything. Say as well, when the sun is out, that kind of changes everything. Earlier today there was no people here, but now that the sun is out, man, like I say, today was a big mesh of things. I kind of was chilling out, relaxing. Today was a day that I needed. Turin, it's a place that I don't talk about a lot in the vlog, but it's really close to my heart, as I've said before. It's an emotional connection almost, you know, and it's just like, it's amazing being here. I love it. I'm supposed to leave tomorrow, but I booked 2 more days so I can really explore a little bit more, not only just emotionally, but just to kind of chill out and relax without feeling like forced to do everything. So 2 more days I'm here. So I think on that note, gonna end the vlog with the sun setting, telling you guys thank you so much for watching. Turin, it's emotional. This place, I love it. Turin is emotional. I love this place. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and you guys who stick through these kind of days when it's really boring and I'm like, oh, thank you guys so much for that. It really means a lot to me, and I think I've said it before, it means a lot to have you guys support, and I don't ever want to take that for granted. So thank you guys so much for watching. Speak to you guys all later, and everyone always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile.